Hey guys, welcome to Rita Simplifies Tech. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can monetize your social media platforms. This is a suggested video from one of my subscribers. He reached out to me and dropped a comment that I should do a video to show how he can monetize his social media platform. And that is why I'm shooting this video today, to show you all my knowledge about social media platforms and how you can monetize your social media platforms. So if you're interested in this content, you just have to keep on watching. Social media is, I call it the new oil, because everybody is on social media. It's either you're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on Snapchat, you're on TikTok, and there are more coming out, springing forth every day. So it's the new oil where everybody is connected. You need people, whatever business you are doing, you need people, and social media is where you can find your target audience. Your business is not for whatever business you are doing, is not for everybody. You have a target audience for that business, and social media has that audience which you need for your business. I saw a photo of Forbes News showing how Cristiano Ronaldo has 200 million plus followers, and if he makes a post ad, he is being paid. Guys, just think about it. So if in every month he makes one post ad, and in a year he makes 12 post ads, that means he's going home with 12 million dollars. That is not what he has worked for. He has not worked for anything. It's just using his platform, his handle, to post an ad for a brand, and they are paying him that much money. So you could see that there are a lot of possibilities, but these are people that are already celebrities, that are already influencers. What about you and me that are not celebrities? We also can also harness the power of social media to make money. And so I'll be focusing on one of the major, I consider it one of the major social media platform, which is YouTube. The second most browsed website in the world. There are how many billions of searches done every minute. And then when you think about the second most browsed website, it is YouTube. And I can attest to that fact, because even while I was pregnant, any little thing, even when I was preparing my hospital bags and all, I was always going to YouTube to search. And not only will I be satisfied watching only one person's video, I'll go and watch as many as I can, just to get the information that I need. And even after giving birth, even when I was trying to wean my child, I was still going back to YouTube, making searches just to see what other moms are giving to their children to win them. And it's just a whole platform where people come together to share their own ideas, experiences. So you might be thinking that, oh, I don't have ideas, I don't have experience. But if you look deep down, there's something that you know better than the next person. There's no man that is an island, and you don't know everything, but there's definitely something that you know more than someone else. So why not come on this platform and build an audience, people who are interested in what you have to offer? And as you do that, you have ways of monetizing it. In this video, I'll be talking about 6 ways that you can monetize a YouTube channel. And number one on the list is Adsense. So when you have a YouTube channel and you have viewers and you have an audience, YouTube pays you money if your subscriber watch ads while they're watching your video. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour for you to be able to be monetized, and then you'll be able to receive the AdSense money that YouTube pays. So that's number one way of making money on YouTube. It doesn't just happen in a day. You have to put in the effort. Just like I used to tell people that is anywhere you see that they say make money today, make money tomorrow, you don't need any work, just run away from it, because it's not legit, it's not real. For you to make real money, you have to put in the work, you have to put in the effort for you to make real money. And creating content is not easy, so you have to keep at it. Consistency is also very important for you to be able to excel on YouTube. So the second way of making money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. So you might be asking, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is very simple. It's more like you are an affiliate, so you don't need to have a product, but there are networks where you can get a product from. So once you get the product, you'll be able to generate a link, and once you promote that product and someone buys the product with that your link, you are paid a certain amount of commission, depending on the commission the vendor or the product owner has placed for affiliate. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. A lot of YouTubers use this method to also monetize their channel. So right now we are looking at Roberto Blake channel on YouTube. And if you look at his YouTube channel and if you look at his description, you could see that Roberto is advertising stuff like YouTube SEO tools, Tube Body, vidIQ, and all these things. He's promoting them. And if you scroll down, you could see his gear that he used for his filming, his camera, and you could see that he's showing you that you can get them from Amazon, B&H Photo. All these are all affiliate links. If you buy any of this camera from any of these links, he's going to get paid a particular commission set out by the vendor. And even when you go down to the last portion, you could see his disclaimer saying that he's a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associate Program and Affiliate Advertising Program, designed to provide a means for sites to earn advertising fees by advertising and linking to www.amazon.com. The third way is through merchandise, and I'll still use Roberto's channel as an example. You could see this by Roberto's Blake merchandise, and you can see this t-shirt. You can buy it for 24.71 pounds, hoodie, and the rest. So this is another way where YouTubers monetize their channel by doing this merchandise. So there are platforms where you can do this merchandise, and what Roberto Blake is using is Teespring, and it's free for you to go on there, create it, and design some shirts. This is especially very important for people that have built an audience and more like a team. So if you look at his content, YouTube creators content, that's what he does. And so he kind of has built a team that wants to easily identify with him. And this is a very good way where people can easily identify with you and you make money even as they do that, because you are giving a lot of value. People will buy from you if they trust you. Now, you can also sell your own digital products using your YouTube channel. There, just like I said earlier, there are things that you know better than someone else. So if you are able to take up the time, create videos, and put it together as a course, there are a lot of platforms where you can sell this course, and you also already have an audience that already trusts you, and you can easily sell these courses to them, and they will buy because they trust the kind of information you are giving them on YouTube. So I think Roberto Blake is also doing this. Roberto Blake business is called Awesome Creator Academy, and you can see that here is telling you to request a 30-minute YouTube channel review with him. You could join his weekly group coaching, and these are all ways where he is monetizing his channel. He has created course, he has an academy, and if you decide to join or ask for a review, he will get paid because he's not going to do it for you for free. So that is another excellent way of monetizing your channel. The fifth way is to build an email list. So what is building an email list? Is more like email marketing. There are billions of email addresses in the world, and marketers have been able to use that opportunity to build an online business. So they find collecting emails valuable. They could share you tips and also promote products or services to you along the line. So many people use it to build an email list, build an audience where they can market to consistently. And Roberto Blake is doing the same thing. So if you click on this, is join my weekly coaching program. He's asking to join per month for $59 per month. And if I say I want to join the academy, I'll have to provide my email address and maybe my PayPal account and all. So he's also using this to build his email list. In as much as I'm going to be joining this his coaching program, and he will also get my email, and he'll know that okay, I bought something from him, and maybe I'll be interested in some other products he has. The people in his email list will be the first people he will market to, and by the time they purchase whatever he buys, he makes money. Sixth way of monetizing a YouTube channel is through paid promotion. Basically mean is a brand reaching out to you for you to do a video that will promote their product. So there are various niches. You can do lifestyle, you can do just anything on YouTube, and there are brands that your audience are their target audience, so they will reach out to you, or you could even reach out to them, and they'll be willing to do a paid promotion, and they'll pay you to promote a particular product. So this video is a very good example of paid promotion. So if you look at the description, and you could see where he said big thanks to vidIQ for sponsoring this video. So this video is sponsored and it is a paid promotion. So all the things he's talking about in this video is actually sponsoring a particular product or a particular service or a particular brand, which is vidIQ. Those are the 6 ways where you can monetize your YouTube channel, and I would like to hear from you in the comment section if you know any other ways where you can monetize a YouTube channel or a social media platform. And I'm open to learn from anybody that has more ideas. And I do hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new in this video. Please drop your comments in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so that they can learn something new and maybe start a YouTube channel today. Before I go, I would like to share something that I learned earlier this year. I watched a video of someone. She was saying that the best time to start a YouTube channel is not now, it's 5 years from now. So if you are starting a YouTube channel now, you are in a better position than someone who will start 5 years from now. So basically, if you are going to start a YouTube channel this year, you better hop on and start and see how far you can be able to build your channel, so that by 5 years from now, you'll be reaping the rewards of every content you have put in the work to make now. And I cannot wait for you to start a YouTube channel today. And if you need help, let me know in the comment section, because I'll be making more videos like this. If you like this content, my videos are mainly based on software tutorials, and so I'll be giving a lot of video tutorials on how you can create a YouTube channel and how you can design your logos and all those good stuff. And if there are things that you would like to learn, please drop a comment and I would like to hear from you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.